Hey, what's going on, koi and pond fans? So in this video I'm going to show you how to change a 36 watt UV bulb in that pressure filter up there. Whenever I first bought it, it's called Anjon, but it's whatever's on half off ponds. It's a 4,000 gallon pressure filter, 36 watt. Then after I show you how to change the bulb, then I'll go and give you a review. I have a pressure filter over there and a pressure filter over there. I'll give you my review on each of them. So I've had this one since February 2023, so let's go ahead and change the bulb here. Here we go. All right, first step, unplug the UV filter. So my outlet's in that box there. And then next step, we'll do this quickly. 3 screws. I'm going to take them screws out and then I'll get back to here. All right, what I did is you got to lift this handle up and then lift the green lid up there. It slides right out. I'm going to put it over here to the side for now. This is what it looks like. All right, got another screw there. I'm going to take that screw out. Got to have a long Phillips screwdriver to reach down in through that hole there. All right, make sure the pump is off that you're running water through for the pressure filter. I forgot to do that. And you twist that way, and you can see the UV filter is off right now, so we're gonna try to slide it out somehow. There we go, we got it out. Now what I'm gonna do is unloosen that gray piece right there. All right, you got to get gloves on to twist it because it's tight. After you take that off, slide it off. Then you got to, with gloves on, twist the glass sleeve and it'll pull out of there. There we go, I'm going to slide that down. And I'm going to pull that out and take a look at it. Alright, so I pulled the UV bulb out, and you can see it's a 4-prong double tube there. It looks pretty good condition, like it was probably didn't even need change, but we'll change it anyway here. So good news is, and I'll put up on the screen the new one that I bought. I took my chances without even pulling this out. It is a 4-prong, so got off Amazon. Go ahead and open up the box here. All right, there is the new one right out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and slide it, pop it back into the sleeve there. All right, I popped it back in. Now I'm going to slide this piece here back on. All right, you can see I got that piece back on there. Now we'll slide that piece back on. All right, we got all the sleeve back in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it back down in there. All right, we got it, popped it back in. Now I'm going to put that screw back in. All right, so next I plugged everything back in. Don't see any leaks, so doing pretty good. This thing is a beast. I do recommend buying it. I think it's only like $100 and some right now. Put it up on the screen sometime during the video. The only negative to this pressure filter is this nozzle here. It's not very high, and it gets a bugger whenever you back flush it to try to push it back there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and back flush it and show you how the dirty water that comes out of it. There's a frog. There you go. You can see this thing's a beast. It works well. Look at the dirty water coming out of there. All right, took about a minute, but you can see you've got clean water coming out of there right now. So, yep, this thing's a beast. Recommended this pressure filter because it is pretty low cost. All right, so this is a Pond Max. This is my favorite filter, pressure filter, but this thing is like 800 some bucks or more, but I love this one. Easy to hook the hoses onto the nozzles. Got an easy backwash, easy valve there. I have like 2 videos, maybe more out there, a review of that pressure filter. So yeah, I recommend that one, but it's expensive. All right, this pressure filter is the Laguna, and yeah, I will not buy this one anymore. Multiple things wrong with it. It is the nozzles that come with it just aren't made for 1.5-inch tubing. So you could literally see I had to put 3 rings around there to prevent that one from leaking. But yeah, the nozzles are a pain in the butt. And then look here, this side broke on me already, so I gotta take it apart to see if there's a loose screw or something inside. But yep, that one broke on me. So do no longer recommend the Laguna filter, pressure filter. All right, there you have it, folks. If you got this far, please hit the like button for me. But yeah, definitely recommend buying that filter. Definitely most cost effective, we'll say. All right, have a good one. See you.